Let's talk about how to get your child used to sitting on the potty. It's really important that you give your child the opportunity to sit on the potty with every diaper change in the beginning of potty training. That way he'll get used to it and feel comfortable on it when he is ready to start using the potty. You also want to make sure that you choose the potty that's appropriate for the size of your child. So if your child is small, you want to use a small training potty. If your child is a little bit bigger, then you want to use the potty seat with the step. The more opportunities he has to sit on the potty, the more comfortable he'll feel when he's sitting on the potty and when he's ready to use the potty. It's also important that you give your child something to do while he's sitting on the potty, like a book or a game or the iPad or Play-Doh, anything to keep him busy and occupied, because the longer he sits on the potty, the more opportunities he'll have to actually go pee in the potty and therefore learn the process of potty training. So that's how you can get your child used to sitting on the potty.